Hi everyone. Do you think your phone is only a source of distraction while studying? Well, it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'll share smart ways to use your phone as a powerful study tool to boost your productivity and make learning easier. Tip number 1. Learn through educational podcasts and audiobooks. Turn passive moments into learning opportunities by listening to educational podcasts or audiobooks. Whether you're commuting or doing chores, you can absorb valuable information without needing to read. Apps like Audible, Spotify, or Google Podcasts offer tons of educational content. You can also create playlists of episodes relevant to your studies. This way, learning becomes a seamless part of your day. Tip number 2. Record and listen to your own voice notes. Record important explanations or summaries in your own voice and listen to them during breaks or while on the go. This reinforces learning and allows you to review concepts passively. It's like teaching yourself, which strengthens understanding. You can organize recordings by topics for easier access. Listening to your voice can also help you catch mistakes in your understanding. Tip number 3. Watch educational videos and tutorials. Platforms like YouTube, Khan Academy, and Coursera offer countless educational videos on almost every topic out there. Watching visual explanations can simplify complex concepts and make learning more engaging. Just be mindful to stay away from the unrelated content. Use the Watch Later feature to save relevant videos for focused study time. You can also adjust playback speed to review content more efficiently. Tip number 4. Scan and digitize your notes. Apps like CamScanner or Microsoft Lens let you scan handwritten notes and convert them into PDFs. This makes it easier to organize, store, and review your notes digitally. Plus, you can annotate and highlight important sections on the go. Sharing digitized notes with classmates can encourage collaborative learning. Cloud storage ensures you never lose important study materials. Tip number 5. Use study apps for organization. Download apps like Notion, Evernote, or Google Keep to organize your notes, set reminders, and plan study schedules. These apps help you structure your study materials and keep everything in one place. Plus, they sync across devices, so your study resources are always accessible. You can also use color coding and tags to prioritize tasks. This makes it easier to manage deadlines and avoid last-minute stress. And there you have it. By using your phone wisely, it can become your best study companion rather than a distraction. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try or share your own creative ways to use your phone for study. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy studying.